Hi, today we are going to be learning about text features. One type of text feature is the types of print that are used in books or magazines. There's colorful text, bold print, text size, highlighted text, underlined text, and italics. For bold print, the text is darker in color, making the words stand out. Let's look at this example so we can find some bold print. There's some bold print. That definitely stands out from some of the other print. And this one is also a bold print, which makes it stand out. Italics. The text is leaning to the right, making the words stand out. Now in this picture of a magazine article, there's some italics at the top of the page, making it separate and stand out from the rest of the article. Kind of looks fancy, italics does. And then there's text size, which is the text is bigger or smaller, making the words stand out. Let's look at this example again. So we have two different sizes here. Even though they're bold, the creator still used different sizes of the bold print or text. This one was smaller, and this one is bigger. And the bigger size makes it stand out a little bit more. Colorful text. The text is in different colors, red, blue, green, etc., making the words stand out. Take a look at this magazine article. There's some colorful text at the top that makes it that sentence stand out from the rest of the article. It might be an important thought that the author wants to have the reader notice more. Then there's underlined text. The text has a line underneath, making the words stand out. Dreams come true. And the creator of this wanted the word dreams to stand out because that's an important word in the saying. Highlighted text. The text is surrounded by color, making the words stand out. And in this article, there are two highlighted words, and those are important words that have to do with the topic or vocabulary words maybe that are important to the meaning of the article. And highlighted text doesn't always have to be yellow. It could be a different color, but yellow is mostly used. Another text feature is heading and subheading. Here's an example that says life cycles from caterpillar to butterfly. So life cycles would be the heading, it's more like the title. And then, it says a heading is short words or phrases that usually appear at the top of a page, letting the reader know what the section is about. So like I said, kind of like the title of that section. Maybe not the whole book, but just that section or part of the book. And then we have the subheading. That says subheading, short words or phrases that help break down the section into smaller chunks to help readers find what they are looking for. They give the reader an idea of what to expect in each section of the page or part of the chapter. So it'll be a smaller bit of information. They might do a subheading, a mini title for maybe that paragraph so you can kind of find the information on a page easier.